So, Amelia, you've been telling us about that warm-up coming.
Yeah, temperatures above freezing tomorrow, and then, like you said, at the latter portion of this upcoming week, we're going to get temperatures near 50 degrees, but until then, we're seeing, it's going to feel like a heat wave. Yeah. Until then, though, we're seeing snow across the region. This morning, we're seeing slick roads, reduced visibilities, areas of blowing and drifting snow as well. Your weather headlines, minor snow this weekend. We're going to get in on some of the action. Everybody will. This morning, if you haven't looked out your window yet, well, it's snowing. And then once again tomorrow, moderating temperatures again above freezing tomorrow. We're going to dip a little bit on Tuesday, and then we'll recover once again towards the latter part of the week. For Warren Doppler, here we can see steady snowfall, even some heavy snow being reported in Erie County right now, just around the airport, making for slick roadways. Accumulations today will range from about 1 to 3 inches. On the surface map, looking back to the west, you see we have this unsettled weather in Ohio that will have to push through western New York, and it's going to last until about the midday and then taper off, maybe a few flurries for the afternoon. But the heaviest and steadiest activity will definitely be for the first half of our Saturday. Currently, we're in the 20s, 27 in Buffalo, the Falls, and Dunkirk, 23 in Jamestown, Bradford, the cold spot at 19. Temperatures not moving too much today. Latest winds in the teens, about 15 in Buffalo. So not only is this causing blowing and drifting snow, it's also pulling that wind chill down. Feels about 15 in Buffalo, 14 in the Falls, 15 for those of you in Dunkirk. So if you're heading downtown today for the pond hockey tournament or the Powder Keg Winterfest, dress warmly. But hey, we're celebrating winter this weekend, and we are seeing winter-like weather for today. Your forecast with Super Microcast. You see, working our way towards the midday, we continue to see snow now throughout the afternoon. That becomes more scattered, likely seeing some drying during the evening hours. Now, here's the thing. Once we hit midnight tonight, work our way into early Sunday, we see redevelopment across the area, so we'll likely be dealing with slick roadways once again Sunday morning. Throughout the day on Sunday, we see the snow again taper off, so most snowfall this weekend confined to the first half of our Saturday as well as our Sunday. Here we are Sunday at 6 o'clock. The chance of some snow, maybe some rain in there with temperatures above freezing, the potential for some freezing rain as well. For the most part, though, working our way into Monday, we are dealing with snow showers likely on Monday, and again, that chance of rain is in there. Your travel forecast for today, if you're heading to Albany, cloudy there, a high of 34. New York, partly sunny with a high of 41. Toronto, snow for the first half of the day, ending for the second half with a high temperature right at 30 degrees. Your weather for today, snow tapering off by the midday, mostly cloudy, blustery out there. Winds about 15 to 30 miles an hour. 1 to 3 inches is possible, so unfortunately, you're likely going to have to shovel today. High temperatures in the upper 20s. Tonight, lows around 20. Snow develops mainly after midnight. A blustery night around an inch or less is possible. For tomorrow, snow likely in the morning. The chance of snow, maybe some rain in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy, breezy, not as cold. An inch or less is possible. Highs tomorrow between 32 and 37. For tomorrow night, partly to mostly cloudy. The chance of snow, slight chance of rain. Around an inch or less of accumulation is possible. Tomorrow night, lows right around 30. For Monday, we're at 37, some more melting going on. Some snow is likely, maybe some rain as well. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to keep it dry. For Thursday, the chance of showers, a high of 44. Friday, a high of 47, the chance of showers as well. So today, the pond hockey tournament, they're going to be dealing with some fresh snowfall on the ice. Tomorrow, we'll see some fresh snowfall, and also by the afternoon, it might get a little bit hard to pass the puck because temperatures above freezing, that is going to cause a little bit of ice melting. But the thickness, I think, is going to be fine. It's about 14 inches, so that's not really going anywhere.